This is your sign to sail in 2026. Virgin Voyages has just launched their Wave campaign and it's seriously good. Sail the Med, the Caribbean, or North America, all done the Virgin way. Stylish ships, incredible food, adults only, and none of the usual cruise cliches. Right now, you can get 80% of your second sailor plus up to $400 in free drinks per cabin, depending on your voyage length. This offer runs until 29th January 2026, and cabins are limited. If cruising has ever crossed your mind, now is the time. DM me to book through Amber Getaways, and I'll take care of the rest.